is Nauman. Currently, I joined the FAST University, and I also got acceptance from ComStats University, from JUD Lahore and JUD Texla and some other universities. Currently, I am studying in CS department in FAST University, and entry test is very important for to get admission in any university. And I prepared my entry test exams from TopGrade Academy. TopGrade Academy is really wonderful. It's helped me a lot, and they have a very large questions banks from where you can give any multiple test question. If you have a problem in any specific topic, you can create a custom test for this topic, and you can give this. And it's really helped me a lot. They have video lectures, they have slides for fast revisions. It's really very wonderful. I really am very thankful to the TopGrade Academy that I am able to get admission in my dream university. Thanks a lot.
You can also download TopGrade app from Google Play Store or App Store. Visit www.topgrade.pk. For more information, contact the given numbers.